Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 deals with discount and finding a final price. It says as part of a pet owner's reward program, you receive a 20% discount on the next item purchased at the local pet store. You decide to buy a new dog bed priced at $34.25. How much will you pay after the discount, assuming that there's no sales tax? So I have a 20% discount. I need to find 20% of the price, which is $34.25, to find out how much the discount will be. So like the other problems, I'm going to multiply 20% in its decimal form, 0.20, times the price, which is $34.25. When I punch that into a calculator, I find out that that's going to be $6.85. So that will be my discount. So I'm going to take the $34.25 and I'm going to subtract out the $6.85 that I will save for my discount and find out that the dog bed will cost me $27.40. Similar to the last problem, we can also use a shortcut. If we say that $34.25 is the full price or 100% of the price, and subtract out the discount, which is 20%, I would find out I'm paying 80% only on the total price. And I can just do one multiplication. 80% in decimal form, 0.80, times the $34.25 that the dog bed would cost. And again, I'll get the same answer of $27.40. So, just like the last problem, you could do it in 2 steps, find the savings and subtract it out to find the answer, or you could subtract out the percents and then just multiply it by the original price to find your answer.